Deadwood, South Dakota was once a booming gold mining town during the gold rush in the 1800s. The town once harbored famous characters like Wild Bill and Calamity Jane. Today, Deadwood is a tourist haven, but Phoebe and I aren't feeling too touristy today. So instead, we'll be riding the George S. Mickelson Trail 5.5 miles up and 5.5 miles back down. Come along, let's have some fun.
That is so sweet, Phoebe. Thank you. Bailey, we made it to the top! Yay! Now for the best part, we get to go down.
Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up. Thanks.